part 2. R.2, review of comprehension questions. Yeah. Because it is already very close to our midterm test. Just a few hours, I need to post test questions. So for the video this late, I just want to, if it's possible, give you some useful information. Yeah. So when you work on the test questions, it could be useful, yeah, but I believe some of you may not watch the video, Anyway, yeah, here I just try my best. If I feel something could be important, so I will make some comments. First, let you know something I like to change, update. First, I like to change the color of my all right. First, what I like to do, skip quizzes. All the quizzes, skip. Okay? So that means you do not really need, the knowledge covered by the quizzes, if other parts, homework, comprehension questions also cover, so then I will use, otherwise, because look at that, we have too many things, right? Yeah. We already have plenty of questions. We have too many things. Yeah, so for that reason, I want to skip all 3 quizzes. When you prepare for the midterm test, we just use homework and comprehension questions already a lot. Yeah. So when we look at the comprehension questions, we have 8 sets of questions. So that's a lot. So CQ1, A and B. Module 1, we have 2 sets. Module 2, we have 3, A, B, C. And module 3, we have also 3, A, B, C. So that's a lot. So then you need to plus homework 1. So that's why for that kind of thing, we don't need to look at the quizzes. Okay, we already have plenty. Yeah. So 3, regarding the questions, 25 questions. So I want to split it into 2 parts. Part 1, modified, so heavily based on homework 1 and the comprehension questions. No quizzes, okay? No quizzes. Yeah. So part 2, part 1, one important thing I want to let you know, part 1 has 20 questions. So that's the, largest part, 20 questions. Part 2, I want to give you 5 questions. So these 5 questions not directly not directly, so not from homework 1 CQs, but so I dig into the notes to create. So the questions, a little different. So the reason is you need to have something new. Okay? Yeah, you need to have something new to solve. Yeah, not completely new. Yeah, not completely new, because we learned all the knowledge about that part. Yeah, not completely new. But I want to check if you can use the knowledge learned to solve some relatively new questions. So that, but I use just 5 questions. Yeah, I do not make it too hard. Okay, yeah, reasonable level. Yeah, all right. So that's my plan. So then, after this video, we won't have the part 3, R.3. We won't. Yeah, my original plan, I want to have 3 videos, R.1 to 3. But first, we already have too many questions. Yeah. Second, we do not have that much time. So let's just stop after our second video. Yeah. All right, so let's start. Yeah. So when I look at the comprehension questions, I need to go a little fast because we have a set of questions. I still use the symbols I used in the first video. All right, algorithm, yeah, a lot of basics I want to skip. Okay, yeah. So we want to test something, so we need to use well. Okay, yeah. Here, all right, all these things, for the introduction part. So we do not need to check that. Yeah, skip. Execution time. Yeah, skip. Okay, all right. Simpler case. Yeah, that's the strategy, right? Yeah, study simpler case. So this one, so definitely, so this strategy useful, important. Yeah. Yeah. So how do I test it? So it's possible. So it's possible at this point. So let me use Y symbol for it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This too basic. Yeah. Horner's rule. So as I said, so this is not Horner's rule. How many additions? Asking about additions, not multiplications. Okay. So that checking counting by reference. So remember? Yeah. So there is a technique called counting by reference. You need to find a reference. So here, counting one addition corresponds to the A1, A2, that subscript as the reference. Here, the subscript as reference. Here, yeah, because 0, 3, 7, yeah, the subscript has the format 4k minus 1, right? Yeah. K corresponds to the term number. K equals 4, right? A0, yeah. Yeah, except A0, okay? Other than A0, okay? Yeah, let's forget the first one. 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah. Until 100. Yeah. So now you connect addition to this K. Then you will know how many terms. That counting by reference. Try to connect the object you want to count to something relatively easy to count. Some special number that is much easier to count. So that technique, what I feel is important, this topic. Okay. You will see one question like that in a test. So you use the method here, counting by reference. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. So that's for sure. How many multiplication? Yeah. Right. So that's the Horner's rule. Straightforward Horner's rule. Horner's rule. Yeah. Horner's rule. Yeah. So overall, yeah. Horner's rule topic. Horner's rule topic. I want to set as X or Y. Let me see. X or Y. Probably Y. Okay. Probably Y. Yeah. Because we have too many things to. It's important. I may like to cover, but we have too many things. Yeah. So I set it as Y. Okay. Horner's rule. Here, right? Yeah. So let's skip. Okay. Yeah. All right. So now this thing. Summation. Yeah. This one. I like to have one summation question. I like to have one summation question. Okay. Yeah. So this one, I will test it. One summation question. Okay. All right. So what kind of summation question? So I don't know. Yeah. Because I feel. Remember, we have two solution questions in our first video. We have two solution questions. Yeah. But for summation question, I can give you as a solution question, but I also can give you as a short answer questions. Yeah. Find the answer, short answer questions. Yeah. All possible. Yeah. All right. So that's the first set. Yeah. We have 8 sets. I don't want this to go too long. Yeah. Horner's rule, remember why. Horner's rule, remember why. Possible one computing. Yeah. That story we talk about in class, yeah, but for the test, so we don't need. Yeah. All right. So, the explanation, understanding part, yeah, we just skip. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This special case, yeah. So we test it. Yeah. So here I like to skip. Okay. Yeah. This one, right? This one, because later, in our second half, we will have a similar topic. So we will delay this question later. Okay, so this one we skip. Right. Linear search, binary search, the basic things, linear search, yeah. Yeah. So I may just skip. Okay, so these two skip. Maximum, yeah, sort, yeah. So this one skip. So skip. I do not test you directly. Okay, yeah. Optimal, yeah. So the optimal, this topic. This optimality topic, I want to test it. Yeah. So it is important. Yeah. So I put a T there. I will create one question to test optimality topic. Okay. Optimality of algorithm. Okay. Topic. So, related to these two questions. So I will modify, try to ask you in a different way. Yeah, that's one. All right, so best, yeah, we check it, so I do not test another time. Yeah. This one, yeah, this one. Yeah. All right, so let me skip it. Yeah, let me skip it. Okay. All right, so that's second set. The reason is there are too many topics, so I have to skip many of them. Yeah, yeah. All right. Running time, yeah, let's skip. Data size, let's skip. Okay. Selection in place. In place, yeah, I may ask you the in place topic. Yeah, this topic. X, okay? Yeah, this in place topic. Not necessary selection, okay? Not necessary selection. What I mean, the in place topic, very likely to be tested, but not necessary about selection sort, right? I can ask you some other algorithms if it's in place or not, but not necessary selection sort. Yeah. Running time, yeah, just skip. All right, skip. Yeah, skip. Yeah, also skip. Yeah. So this one also skip. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah. This one is possible. Yeah. The reason is I noticed so many students missed question like that. So I like to test it, but I put as X. Growth function. Yeah. So the growth function, yeah, this concept. So very basic, so this concept I like to, test it. Yeah. So the growth function, these two. Okay. So these two. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, these three. Right? Number 12 also growth function. But I just give you one growth function question. Yeah. Very likely. Yeah. All right. So that's the set number 3. Set number 4. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. No. All right. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. Things like these 5, right? Yeah. X. These 3, no. Okay? Yeah. No. That's set number 4. Set number 5. No. Yeah, compare performance. Yeah, compare. Faster, slower. Yeah. So let me put Y. Inversion, right? This inversion concept, yeah. Interesting concept, yeah. So this concept is important. So I like to give you one question to check your understanding of the inversion concept. If you really know the inversion, the meaning of inversion, yeah. So this question I will give one in the test. Yeah. Make sure you understand the meaning of inversion. Yeah. These two about inversions. Yeah. So let's put together. Element in place. Yeah. So this concept also important. In place concept. This topic, in place topic, important. Yeah. So I like to use one question for the in place. Yeah. Also T. Yeah. Right. These two related, highly related. Okay. Yeah. This one, yeah, this matching. This, because I already tested many times. This time I want to skip this topic. Okay? I want to skip that topic. I want to skip this topic. I want to skip this topic. Okay? Yeah. All right, so that's the set number 5. Set number 6. Yeah, skip this. Skip. This I already checked many times. Skip. Skip. Check many times. Okay. Yeah. Tower of Hanoi. So these two combined together, X. Okay. So one question for that. Highly likely. Highly likely. Why I put X not T? Because it depends on how many questions do I have. If I have room, remember 20 questions converted directly from homework and a comprehension question. If I have enough room, I will do it. If I do not have the room, yeah, because when I need to cover those T questions first. First, I cover T question. If I still have some room, I cover X questions. If I still have room, I cover Y questions, in that priority order. So that's why I put X. Yeah. This, no. Okay, yeah. Substrain, yeah. We did plenty of times. So why we do another time, right? So that's why I skip. Yeah. All right. Set number 7. Yeah, so this one, yeah, skip. Skip, yeah. Right, the strategy, this one, yeah, skip. Skip, yeah. All right, so next one, the smooth questions, these two together. Oh, these 3 together. Same topic, right? So I want to give one question about smooth function. Smooth function. Yeah. Oh, that's the, eventually non-decreasing. Yeah. Eventually non-decreasing. Yeah. So let me put this way. Because smooth function has to be eventually non-decreasing. Yeah. So I do not check eventually non-decreasing directly, but I want to do the smooth function. Yeah. The smooth function do not use the smooth curve, that smooth. So we have our special meaning, smooth function. Yeah. And T. But I will use multiple choice question. So I give you 4 functions. So I want to ask you which one is smooth or which one is not smooth. Multiple choice questions to cover this topic. Yeah. This topic. Yeah. All right. So this question, these two, same topic. Right? So the same topic. So one question for that. One question for that. So you know the formula, right? So this is the formula to use. Yeah. This is the formula to use. So I want to check using this formula, I derive some other formula. You need to check which one is correct. Yeah. So that is one question. All right. So that's the set number 7, the last set. Last set. Okay. No. Skip. Golden ratio. Yeah. This skip. Basics. Too basic. So we skip. Yeah. Too basic. We skip. Yeah. All right. Too basic. We skip. Yeah. All right. Yeah. But things like this about the property, golden ratio property, yeah. Golden ratio property. I want to create one question for that. Golden ratio, one question for that, yeah. But I want to make it doable for you. Not too hard. Yeah. Doable. Yeah. Doable like this question. Yeah. You know, each of these 3 doable, I feel. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Right. Including the last 2. Yeah. Number 10. Number 10. A little challenging. Yeah. A little challenging. Number 10. Number 9. Yeah, so number 9 combined with the previous one, right? The previous one also cover this one. Yeah. So number 10. Number 10, you need to use the property of golden ratio to simplify some expression. I'd like to ask one question for that. Yeah. But how do I ask? So at this point, I do not have a clear idea. Yeah. But I like to ask. Yeah. Based on this one. Yeah. Based on, I hope you know how to do this. Yeah. How to do this part. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so that's all the comprehension questions. Yeah. All right, so that's it. I hope so you can, yeah. So all these after I post, so you can get some ideas. You know, try to focus on these questions and the topics. Yeah.